Hi everybody, welcome to MATLAB channel. Now we are going to see exercise 9th standard chapter algebra, that is third chapter. In that exercise 3.1 we are going to see 4th and 5th some example sums. Okay, in 4th and 5th I am going to solve two sums. Okay, so let's move to today's section. See, they are given rewrite the polynomial in standard form. What do you mean by standard form? Standard form means nothing but we have to write the polynomial in decreasing order. That is, degree should be in decreasing order. Let's see in this example. See, here we are having one polynomial. What type of polynomial is this? According to degree means what type of polynomial it is? Its highest degree is 4. So 4 means nothing but polynomial. Suppose if you are having 3 as your highest means we can say that it's cubic polynomial. Okay. So it falls under just polynomial. Now we are going to write this polynomial in standard form. See, first what we have to check means we have to check which power is in highest number. See, here we are having power as 2, here we are having power as 4, and here we are having power as 1. Why 1? Nothing is there means we have to consider those in that place as 1. And here we are having power as 3. Now we have to write the powers in descending order. That is, we are going to write in descending order according to that degree. Okay. So first we can say this term as your first term, right? You have to check with sign also. So the answer will be standard form for this polynomial is minus 7 by 2 x power 4. Okay. So since first degree is now we are getting as 4, we have to check whether 3 is there. Yeah, here 3 is there. So next minus 5x cube, and next we have to write the 2. So plus square root 2x square, then the x term. If you are having any constant means we have to write here. Okay. So this is a final answer. Let us try with this example. First highest order is 4. So we have to write this as 9y power 4. And next term will be cube. So plus square root 5y cube. And next term will be square. So y square. And next term will be just y. Minus 7 by 3y. And the last term here we are having as constant. In this polynomial we don't have any constant, so we stopped here. But in this polynomial we are having minus 11 as constant, so we have to write it here. So first you have to check the highest degree, start from that term and then go in decreasing order. This is called standard form. Okay. Let's move to fifth sum. How we can, they are given two polynomials. Okay. Now we can see how to add those polynomials. Okay. So we are going to find p of x and plus q of x. Okay. Here one polynomial and here one polynomial we are having. We are going to find p of x plus q of x. So first let write the polynomial in standard form. Okay. Here also already they are given in standard form, and here also they are given in already standard form. So first just write as it is the polynomial. Okay. P of x just substitute and plus symbol is there, and substitute q of x also. Okay. First step, just you are going to substitute as it is p of x and q of x. Now you are going to see the like terms. Like terms means same terms. First, what is the highest order in this polynomial? 3 is your highest degree, right? So starts from there. So one term as degree 3. So just write as it is. Okay. So next what term will become? Degree is 2. Check it how many degree 2 terms are there? Only one. So write is that as second term. Okay. Now write minus 7 one term is there, and here also minus 7x one term are there. Both are same. Okay. So just write nearby two terms. And then the last, now we are wrote these two terms, and the split over is the constant term only remaining. So write those constant term as it is. Okay. Now we are going to just add the like terms. 6x cube we can't do anything, so just write as it is. And x square also we can't do anything, so just write as it is. Here see, minus 7x and minus 7, both two terms are equal. Y means here also variable x and here also variable x. So just you can add the coefficients. Okay. So both are in minus, so you have to add. So you will get minus 14x. Okay. And then here also both are constant terms. So just you can add. 15 plus 2 is 17. This is your final answer. Okay. Now we can do the another example, that is f of x plus g of x. Okay. So now straight away you can write the direct standard form, that is highest order of those two polynomials is 4 is your highest order. So just 16x power 4 will be your first term. Then check it with degree 3. Here we are having degree 3. So minus 6x cube. Okay. Then check it with second degree, that is minus 5x square. Okay. Then the next term is degree 1, that is just x alone, 7x. Okay. And the remaining terms what will be constant? Here plus 9 and here minus 15. Okay. So your final answer will be, see, the first four terms you can't do anything, so just write as it is. 16x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 5x square plus 7x. See here both are constant terms, so you can just add this. One is in positive and another one is negative. So plus into minus will be minus. So highest order, highest number is 15. So we have to put this sign, minus sign. Okay. So if you are subtracting 9 from 15 means you will get this. Okay. So your final answer will be 16x power 4. This is a standard form. Okay. I hope how you can add the polynomials and how you can rewrite the given polynomial in standard form. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for watching.